Hi everyone, today I will show you some beautiful colorful flowers that will enhance the beauty of your garden. The name of this flower is Canna lily. This flower is one of the popular flowers of Asian continent. This flower blooms during monsoon. This flowering plant can also be grown in containers. This plant propagates through tubers and seeds. These are red Ixora flowers. These flowers bloom almost all year round, but more flowers bloom in monsoon season. This plant is very popular as an ornamental flowering plant. This plant is easily propagated by cuttings. It's a very hardy plant, grows very well even in small plastic bottles. The name of this flower is 4 o'clock flower. This flower blooms all year round, easily propagated by seed and cuttings. This flower blooms in the afternoon. It's a very beautiful flowering plant for the garden.